From classmate to housemate, Esner Ranolo brings his alter egos inside the Pinoy Big Brother house and recalls how it all started. Ma'am Castro, Balong, Margie Ellen, Bogart, Andre, Jessa, Samantha, Charlotte, and Precious were brought inside the Pinoy Big Brother house all at once by none other than the creator himself, Esner Ranolo. Esner is the ang Son Saturday Idol viral beshi ng Davao del Sur, Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Edition Collab, and before becoming a housemate, he was a classmate. His school series first gained popularity during the pandemic. His relatable and hilarious school-themed skits were sources of laughter for millions of social media users across various platforms. Proving his wide range of talent, he portrayed all the roles and was excellent at pulling them off, and recently, his alter egos, or the Esner Multiverse, was brought inside the PBB. The housemates were delighted to see these viral online characters up close and personal. The ever-strict Ma'am Castro, the mischievous Balong, the feisty Margie Ellen, the quirky Bogart, and among others interacted with the housemates. They were in awe of Esner and how he was able to put distinction in each character. About his beginnings, Esner shared that his fame and success did not happen overnight. He tried uploading various content online until he found his niche in creating school-related videos with a humorous and relatable storyline. His videos clicked and what started from missing the actual school since translated into content online, the success became unstoppable. He established a strong following and netizens were always on the lookout for his latest videos to have a good laugh. His YouTube channel also features one-shot school-related stories, such as high school love stories, young love, school festivals, section wars, thesis defenses, and many others. Sobrang laki po ng naitulong niya sa buhay ko, financial, career. Grabe, binago niya yung buhay ko at binago niya po ang buhay ng pamilya ko, he said based on the video.